Welcome children, I am your Sanskrit teacher from Roshan Academy, and today we are going to explain a topic of 5 marks question that you can surely expect for 10th standard CBSE Sanskrit board paper of 2020-21. The topic is Chitra Varnanam, that is picture composition. In this question, you have to make 5 sentences using the given words in the box, that is in Manjusha. So, some easy tricks are there to score the full marks. The first one, observe the picture well and analyze it. That means what type of picture is given, what are the things seen in the picture, etc. And number 2, connect the picture with the words given in the box. Third one, sentences should be framed in present tense only. That is, in Sanskrit we say let lakara. Let lakara means present tense. I am going to give you some examples of let lakara. Asti, sthaha, santi. Ekavachana, dvivachana and bahuvachana. Now, verbs are like pathati, pathataha, pathanti. Dhavati, dhavataha, dhavanti. Like that. You need not use madhyama and uttama purusha verbs and nouns. So, next one is adjectives. Next is, try to use adjectives and adverbs. That means Visheshana, Visheshya, and according to Linga, Vachana, only that can be used. For example, Sundaraha Vrikshaha. Here, Visheshana is Sundaraha, Vrikshaha Visheshya. Prasanna Baliga, in feminine gender, Prasanna, that means Strilinga. Prasanna Balika. In neuter gender, Sundarani Pushpani, Sundaram Chitram. And like Kriya Visheshan, Vriddhaha Shanaihi Chalati. Shanaihi Chalati. Shanaihi. That is the adverb here. Adhyapika Uchaihi Vadati. Ashwaha Shighram Dhavati. Shighram Uchaihi Shanaihi etc. are the adverbs used here. And next we go to Avyaya. How to use Avyaya in the sentences. For example, Upari, Adhaha, Atra, Api, Cha. Then Upapada Vibhakti also can be used. Upapada Saha, Paritaha, Ubhayataha, Bahihi, like that. But when we use Upari, Adhaha, etc., you have to use in Shashti Vibhakti. And Saha in Tritiya Vibhakti. Bahihi in Panchami Vibhakti. All these things you may be knowing. And example I am going to give you. Vrikshasya Upari, Vrikshasya Adhaha, Gramat Bahihi, Ramena Saha, Vriksham Paritaha. This is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Last one, Vriksham Paritaha. Now, we can use Atra. Atra means here. In a sentence you use Atra. Atra means here I told you. Atra ekaha jalashayaha asti. Atra mayuraha asti. Atra baliga gayati. Atra aneke janaha santi. Like that you can use any sentences like that. Then next point is aneka. When you use aneka shabda, you have to keep in mind that it should be used according to linga, that is gender. In pullinga, you can use aneke janaha. Aneke janaha. Why we use aneke? We know that saha tau te. Te is the bahuvachana, means plural. We used here janaha. So the same thing should be used in the shabda aneka. So aneka will become aneke janaha. And in feminine gender, anekaha mahilaha. Mahilaha, strilinga. The anekaha. There, sa, te, taha. Taha is the plural side. So, mahilaha. Like that, you have to do the sentence properly or write the sentence properly. But in Napunsaka linge, anekani should be used. Example, anekani phalani. Why it is anekani? Kim ke kani, that we learned. So the plural side is kani. So anekani phalani. Like that you have to complete the sentence. Example, Jalashaye anekani kamalani santi. Anekani kamalani santi. So, next point is, in any one sentence, you have to use halanta. Halantam. For example, asmin. The last letter is n. So, you put a tail-like thing there. So, that is what is called halanta. Jalam. The last one is written like that. Asmin, jalam. All these things are, or otherwise you can think of chitram. In all these words, we have to use halantam, but not always. But here, asmin chitre, balikaha kritanti. One example sentence I am telling. Asmin chitre. Asmin chitre means in this picture. The meaning is in this picture. So asmin can be used in one sentence. Next one is pradattaha. Pradattaha means given. Pradatte chitre means in the given picture. For example, we can make one sentence. Pradatte chitre aneke janaha bhramanti. Pradatte chitre. In the given picture, aneke janaha. Aneke plural. Janaha plural. Bhramanti, that is also plural. So, almost all the points are explained here. We go to the next picture. And 1 minute, let me explain the slide here. One by one. Idam chitram sundaram asti. In the first sentence, sundaram is the visheshana pada. Sundaram. Altogether the picture looks very beautiful. That's why. Sundaram asti. The next one, akashe khagaha udyante. Khagaha means, here you can see khagaha. Khagaha, the word given in the bracket or in the manjusha, it is given. So we used that word also. And third one is atra jalashaye meenaha kamalani cha santi. So here we used two words, meenaha and kamalani together. Altogether, Two words are used, and one more thing, cha, that is avyaya, also used in this sentence. That's why I am explaining this sentence again and again. Atra should be used once, so that is already used. Jalashaye, Meenaha, Kamalani. These two words are given in the Manjusha, and cha is an avyaya and santi. So atra Jalashaye, Meenaha, Kamalani cha santi. Pradatte chitre. Pradatte is used here. Chitre ekaha harita vrikshaha. Harita is the adjective form of that. Harita vrikshaha. Vrikshasya visheshana pada asti. Then fifth one, vrikshasya adhaha. Adhaha can be used. Vrikshasya, Shashti Vibhakti should be used here. So vrikshasya adhaha dau balakaustaha. There is no word for that in the Manjusha. Even then I have given one sentence. Then Maidani ekaha sundaraha mayuraha asti. Mayuraha is given there. And seventh one, asmin shabda. Asmin we have used here. Asmin chitre ekaha mandukaha api. Api also used here. Drishyate. Okay, all the things are cleared here. Children, now here is an example for you. See the picture well and you start. 1. Idam. Idam chitram udyanasya asti. In the box it is given udyanasya, that is underlined here. And the second one, akashe sundaraha indradhanushaha drishyate. Sundaraha indradhanushaha. And third one, atra is used here. See, ekaha mayuraha nrityati. Fourth one, pradatte is used here. Chitre kone ekaha mandukaha jalashayasya samipe tishtadi or upavishati. Here I have written tishtadi. Then fifth one, asmin. Asmin shabda also used here. Asmin chitre balaha dolabhihi kridanti. Dolabhihi is there in the Manjusha. Then chitre trayaha. The number should be used. Trayaha haritaha vrikshaha santi. Last one is sarve. Here it is written sarvam. That is a spelling mistake. You write it as sarve. Sarve api prasannaha drishyante. Prasannaha plural, drishyante. So here also plural is used. So all the work is done. Here total 7 sentences are given. But for the examination, only you have to answer, or you have to write 5 sentences. Don't write more than that. You don't get more marks for that. So this is over. So please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.